welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Ardil and today we're talking about an upgrade on this absolutely gorgeous Bentley GTC. What we've upgraded the particular car with is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as a reversing camera. However, this is no easy task. What's actually involved in doing an install is actually removing the radio and installing what's called an integration module. Obviously, this has all been professionally done from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge, but basically the way the kit works is really nice, really intuitive, plus it retains all of the factory system as well. So all you do is you double press that media button that you've got on the left hand side of the screen, and that then switches over and shows basically pretty much what's on your phone, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you haven't seen Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on another car before, it is absolutely phenomenal. I hate driving a car without it, and it's really, really cool. You get Maps, Google Maps, Waze, Spotify, you name it, it's all live on the screen. You get even your text messages, your WhatsApps, everything you could possibly think of needing when driving is all now on that screen. So not only does that make the interior a lot more modern, it also adds value to the vehicle, but the real key thing is it just makes your life a lot nicer when driving your vehicle and brings it right up to date. So that is fully integrated into the factory screen, and basically the way the sound comes through is through your auxiliary port. So you have auxiliary selected and then you click over and show Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One thing our client wanted to add on as well was a reversing camera. So we've actually integrated that into the factory screen as well. That's using our ProFit wedge camera design, so a really nice looking camera. Plus what we've got is a physical cable run, all professionally done, nothing on display at all. Nothing at all is on display, guys. Literally every single cable is hidden, properly installed and professionally done. That goes into the integration module. As soon as you select reverse, automatically it will flick over and show that reversing camera image, which is really nice, crystal clear image. Adds again functionality, makes your day-to-day living with the vehicle. Obviously it is a big vehicle, and helping you park into those tight spaces in the UK really does make a massive, massive difference, just generally day-to-day living with the car. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. You've seen the upgrade that we've carried out onto the Bentley GTC. If you're interested in having this same solution added onto your vehicle, make sure you get in contact with us. Everything you need is in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.